So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on your OnePay account. We're going to go ahead and load up here in real time. And this is going to take us first and foremost to our home page. You also can see our icon here towards the very bottom. Now from here, we actually can go ahead and move just a couple of icons over where it says cash control, has the up and down arrow. Let's go ahead and click on this. Now from here, this is where you have all of your cash control. And you can see here towards the center of the screen, it says move money. We're going to go ahead and choose this option. It has the left and right arrows pointing. Now, the first thing it's going to toggle on is the internal transfer, but we actually want to go ahead and click to another bank to transfer out. And then it's going to ask us how much we want to go ahead and transfer out. So for today's example, let's go ahead and say we want to do $20. We're going to go ahead and click on the continue button at the bottom. Now from here, we have a pop-up menu where it gives you an option for a debit card, which can be instant, but there will be a fee, and the fee is determined based off of how much you are transferring. So the larger amount, the larger the fee will be. And then the other option, which is the free option, would be the bank on file, which can take anywhere from 1 to 3 days. Now keep in mind, if you do not have a bank on file, you can go ahead and go through the process to add it right over here, and it will go through the Plaid software to go ahead and connect your bank account instantaneously, which will then show back up here. So you can do it quickly and go ahead and toggle right over here. Now from here, whichever option you choose, you can go ahead and then transfer here at the bottom. And just like that, we have withdrawn our money from the OnePay account. Now there's always more to learn when it comes to using your financial apps, and we got you covered here. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.